Welcome to Lily Toys. Guess the animals from their shadows in 3 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a Bobic Marmot. Bobic Marmots are like the furry gardeners of the grassy fields in Europe and Asia. These chubby rodents are known for their round bodies and bushy tails. They're experts at digging tunnels and burrows underground, creating cozy homes for themselves and their friends. Bobic Marmots live in big families called colonies, where they watch out for each other and enjoy playing in the sunshine. They munch on tasty plants and help keep the fields healthy by turning over the soil with their burrows. So, these friendly marmots are not just cute. They're also great at taking care of their homes and the environment they live in. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a Gaur. The Gaur, also known as the Indian bison, is like the king of the jungle in some parts of Asia. These massive animals are the biggest type of wild cattle in the world, and they have strong, curved horns that can grow really long. Gaur live in lush forests and grasslands and love to eat lots of yummy plants. They are usually shy and like to stay hidden in the trees. Even though they're enormous, they're excellent at sneaking around. Gaur are essential for the health of their habitats, and they remind us of the importance of protecting the amazing creatures that share our planet. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a sloth. Sloths are some of the slowest and most adorable animals in the jungle. They live in the rainforests of Central and South America, where they spend most of their time hanging upside down from tree branches. Sloths move so slowly that moss and algae often grow on their fur, making them look like little green furballs. They eat leaves and sleep a lot, sometimes up to 15 hours a day. Sloths are excellent climbers and swimmers when they need to be. Even though they might not be the fastest or most active animals, they are incredibly cute and remind us to take it easy and enjoy life's simple pleasures. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a reindeer. Reindeer are amazing creatures that live in the cold, snowy regions of the world, like the North Pole. They're known for their big, branched antlers, which are like natural decorations on their heads. These antlers are used by male reindeer to impress the females and for digging in the snow to find food. Reindeer are Santa Claus's special helpers, helping him pull his sleigh to deliver gifts on Christmas Eve. They are strong and hardy animals that can survive in the freezing cold, and their fur keeps them warm like a cozy winter jacket. Reindeer are a magical part of the holiday season and a reminder of the wonders of winter. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a clouded leopard. The clouded leopard is like a mysterious and enchanting cat of the jungle. These amazing creatures have fur covered in beautiful cloud-like patterns, which help them blend into the dappled sunlight of the rainforest. Clouded leopards are fantastic climbers, and they can even climb upside down on tree branches. They have big paws with sharp claws, making them expert hunters. Unlike other big cats, clouded leopards are known for their gentle and quiet nature. They are rare and elusive, so spotting one is like finding a hidden treasure in the wild. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a grizzly bear. Grizzly bears are magnificent creatures that live in the wild, especially in North America. They are known for their shaggy fur, which can be brown, black, or even blonde. These big bears are strong swimmers and great climbers, and they love to eat fish, berries, and plants. Grizzly bears are usually solitary animals, meaning they like to be on their own, but they can also be protective parents to their cubs. It's important to remember that while grizzly bears are amazing to learn about, it's best to admire them from a safe distance and never approach them in the wild because they are wild animals and need their space to stay happy and healthy. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a donkey. Donkeys are friendly and hardworking animals that have been helping people for a very long time. They are like sturdy, four-legged friends. Donkeys have big, floppy ears that can hear even the tiniest sounds, and they use their strong legs to carry heavy loads. They're not as fast as horses, but they are incredibly strong and can go for long walks without getting tired. Donkeys are also known for their braying, which is a loud and funny sound they make to communicate with each other. They are gentle and kind creatures, and some people even keep them as pets. So, don't underestimate these lovely animals. Donkeys are essential helpers and great pals too. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a swan. Swans are like the elegant ballerinas of the bird world. These beautiful birds are known for their long, graceful necks and snowy white feathers. Some swans have orange beaks, while others have black ones. They love to swim in calm and peaceful ponds and lakes, gliding gracefully on the water's surface. Swans are often seen in pairs, and they are known for their strong bonds and love for each other. They communicate with soft, musical honks and are symbols of beauty and grace in many cultures. Watching swans can be a lovely experience, and they remind us of the beauty of nature and the importance of kindness and love.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.